Hello, I am your friend, Mohammed. I will help you to write English letters. Please follow me. Thanks. Number 1. You have to join the dots with care. First, A. Keep in mind, 1, 2, and 3 is order to follow. Please go slow and slow. Yes, it became A. Now here is B. Let's start. I need your attention, please. Yes, it is now B. Now C. Oh, this has also done. It's C.
Please, friends, practice this at home with your mom. Thanks.